Ayan, balik na tayo sa katotohanan. Kamanluto lang tayo ng dinner. Dinner sa alaga. Balik na tayo sa katotohanan. Magluluto naman. Hala nyo This is how I feel. I will never know. Oh, di Ingray, kanta tayo. Hala nyo kakanta tayo. Nais kong malaman mo. Asa na YouTube? Makatilong ko. Anong gusto niyong kanta? Oh, di ba? Palagi ang ingay ni Rowena, tayo'y mahahagad ng baril. Wala sa amin. People say that I'm the fool. Well, I don't know. At least found out what it takes to be strong. I do you know all day long. I didn't lie. Eyes and wide open, who's not to see? Oh, I don't wanna fool na. I wanna be the one to play your game. But even if your smile was sweetest one. Ang ingay ko tapos ko. Inaanasin para tayong linya. Take good care of all those things that we have. Or away for long to know. O, tamang luto lang tayo. No, I don't wanna see you anymore. Don't wanna be the one to play your game. Not even if you smile the sweetest smile. Not even if you beg me, darling, please. Pinang-ilong ko Yan, sinisipod. Ano pa na ibang kanta? No, I don't wanna see. And I never thought I'd feel this way. And as far as I'm concerned, I'm glad I got the chance to say that I do believe I love you. And if I should ever go away, well, they close your eyes and try to feel the way we do today. And then if you can remember, keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me, for sure. And that's what friends are for good times and bad times. I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for. Hello, Nel! Kamusta? Kanta tayo, kanta. And now there's so much more I see. And so by the way, I thank you. And then, for the times when we're apart, will they close your eyes and know these words are coming from my heart? And then if you can't remember, keep smiling, keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me. For sure, and that's what friends are for. In good times, in bad times, I'll be on your side forevermore. Hola. Ingay ko, no? That's what friends are for. Keep smiling. Keep smiling. Tutusok sa mata. Tapos ng ating day off. Luto naman. Wala si Boss Mayo dito. Naglalaro ng nakaha. Haba na ng book natin. Tandaan, Lola. Keep smiling. Alam mo, ganda ng boses natin, oh. Lalan. For sure. Ito, victims of love. Biktima ng pag-ibig. Biktima ng camera. Joke lang. Our hearts have been to battle, our souls have been too far. We've lost the will to carry on, we don't believe no more. Was it was that saying that this could never happen to us? How could it be? 'Cause baby, here we are, victims of love, a broken and a fear. We're sad to see our debris scattered everywhere. Victims of love, still cannot believe we're the victims of love. We cannot retrieve. Mainit ang nilagay natin ito. Used to be so easy, it used to be so good. We had an understanding that God misunderstood. I thought we were survivors and we never would go down, but now we're just outsiders as our love comes tumbling down. Victims of love, a broken down affair. So sad to see the debris. Victims of love, a broken down. Mali pala. Pati ng tenga ko We cannot retrieve. And everything was hard and roses. The pain step and close the door. Oh, diba? Tumihina yung tugtog natin. Was so near. Oh, diba? Biktima ng pag-ibig. Sino na biktima ng pag-ibig? Love me for what I am. Init ah. Nandito sa kusina nagluluto. Came to you and never asked too much, wondering what you would say, hoping you'd understand it's not a role I usually to play. Don't speak too much of what's been going on. The past is over and gone. Give me your trouble, man, you know it's yours. I can do so much for you. I want you, having you near me, holding you near me. I want you to stay and never go away. It's alright having you near me, holding you near me. I love you tonight, it feels alright. Feels alright. Brave to say that you get lost in love, but you open your heart to me. Underneath you feel, you know how deep our love could it be. Tonight we'll touch until it's time to go, then leaving it up to you. Even a fool would know that I'm not true. I can do so much for you. I want you, having you near me. I need it tonight and it feels alright. Feels alright. Holding you near me. La 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 la. I need you to now and feels alright. Mali pala yung kanta. Iba pala yung kinti. I just fall in love again. Just fall in love again, and when I do. Oh, kanta. Wala tayong mic eh. Dreaming, I must be dreaming. I'm really lying here with you. Baby, you take me in your arms and though I'm wide awake, I know my dream is coming true. And though I just fall in love again, just one such and then it happens every time that I just fall in love again. And when I do, I can't help myself, I fall in love with you. O, diba? Sabay kanta tayo, bluluto tayo. Magic, it must be magic, the way I hold you when the night just seems to fly. Easy for you to take me to a star. Heaven's that the moment when I look into your eyes. And though I just fall in love again, and when I do, mali pala. I just fall in love again, and when I do, I can't help myself, I fall in love with you. I can't help myself, I fall in love with you. Akala ko describe the value, hindi pala. Easy! Diba? Finishing tayo later. Ano ang tono nito later na to? Don't wanna see you anymore. Hindi pala. Luto tong niluluto ko. Ito pa tayo. Yun pala yun. Pangit. Kasing pangit ko. Kasing pangit ko ang kanta. Ang iibigin mo, makakita ka ng higit sa isang katulad ko. Di ako magbabago, tulad ng sinabi ko. Ang pag-ibig ko'y para lamang sa isang puso. Sana ay hindi lamang sa labi mo maririnig. Yan ay asahan mo pagkat ako'y tapat sa pag-ibig. Sabihin mo lagi ako'y iyong mahal. At hindi panandalian kundi panghabang buhay. Hindi magtataksil kahit na kailangan. Dahil ang subok ng puso natin isa nararamdaman. Ako pa rin kaya mula sa simula at magpahanggang wakas ay di ka makapabaya. Di ganyan ang tulad ko, ilala mo naman ako. Pag-umilit mo tunay ang pangarin ko. Sana ay hindi lamang sa labi mo marinig. Winasahan mo pagkat sa pag-ibig. Sabihin mo lagi ako'y iyong mahal. At hindi panandalian, kundi panghabang buhay. Hindi nakapag-concert. O, dito tayo mag-concert sa ano. Habang nagluluto, concert tayo. O, ito na yung ginagawa. Maluto lang tayo, di ba? Magiwala yung boss ko dito. Bihin mong lagi ako'y iyong mahal, at hindi panandalian, kundi panghabang buhay. Di magtataksil kahit na kailanman. Isang kanta na lang. O, diba? Isang kanta na lang. At luto na tong ating ay, sorry. Teresita Bailon. Iyong dinggin, init ng aking halik, pagmamahal na kay tamis, pag-ibig. O, diba? Nakaluto na tayo sa kakakanta. Magmula nang nakilala ka, damdamin kong ito sa'yo hanggang iba. Pag-ibig kong ito ay anong ganda. Ito bang tunay na pagsinta? Nangangarap akong kasama ka, makita, mahaganap, mayakap ka. Paligid ko ito ay anong saya. Ito bang tunay na pagsinta? Bunso, pabiyan, pangesban. Bugas na tayong pinggan, tapos na tayong serve ng pagkain. Pero kakanta muna tayo bago mabugas. Alaala na iniwan mo. Kapag naisip ko, nalulungkot ako. Nagtatanong kung bakit iniwan mo. Bakit tayo'y nakalayo? Alaala ng ating mga nakaraan. Kapag kapiling ka, anong ligaya ko? Hindi pa ba sapat ang pagmamahal ko? Nani. Ating isa-isip, ganyan talaga ang pag-ibig. Huwag sanang limutin mga pangako sa akin. At kung nasan ka mali pala. Inaantok na si Roel. Sa kakanta, inaantok na. Love is the answer. Esperanza, mahuhayuan. The Fast. Inaantok ako, leche yung kinakanta na last song. Hindi tayo pwede mag-mic kasi nandito lahat yung alaga ko. Nako. May istorbo sila sa ano. I was wrong when I hurt you. Did you have to hurt me too? Did you think revenge will make it better? I don't care about the past. I just want our love to last. There's a way to bring us back together. I must forgive you. You must forgive me too. If you wanna try to put things back the way they used to be, 'cause there's no sense in going over and over the same things as before. So let's not bring the past up anymore. Last song. Out of all the good we had, you only keep track of the bad. Though you know I never really love her. Did not anyone tell you yet that forgive is to forget? How can you be mad if you don't remember? I must forgive you. You must forgive me too. Sakit sa lalamunan. Palagi! Ano ba kanta nito? Try kayo natin kantahin to. Sabayan lang natin, hindi ko alam to. Palagi. Ito mo na lang to, bahala na. Di man araw-araw nakangiti. O, diba? Ilang beses na rin tayong humihindi. Oh. Ilang ang ating mga tampuhan. Away bati di natin namamalayan. Pero may naano saan mukha ko ah. Heto tayo. Ngunit sa huli palagi. Babalik pa rin sa yakap mo hanggang sa huli. Palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman mo. Iyo ako. Diba? Kahit wala tayo sa tono. Init! Palagi! Palagi! Ay, kung dumating ka. Ano nga karoon? Ano mga pinagkakanta? May paubaya, alipin. Ikaw ang paborito kong desisyon at pag napaligiran ng ingay at ng gulo. O, diba?